The ideal money and time-saving solution. Cooking and meal preparation will become easier, less expensive and faster, as you will be able to equip and organize your freezer, with fresh food ready to be defrosted and served or fresh ingredients instead of freezer-burned food filled with ice crystals which will probably end up in the trash can. Polyamide sealable bags withstands food temperature of 212 max. Easy to operate. Fully automatic simple electric plug-in design with the control center placed on the top panel and soft-touch digital buttons along with LED indicator lights, a smart device at your family's service. 2 sealing modes. Useful and practical. The NutriChef vacuum sealing system is cleverly designed, owning 2 selectable modes to provide your food with the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered or steamed food. Lab-tested quality. Vacuum sealers preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies or containers, basically depending on the type of food. The NutriChef vacuum sealer, however, was subjected to specific laboratory testing to effectively increase food shelf life. A full starter kit. Apart from the vacuum sealer and the air suction hose, the NutriChef vacuum sealer package also includes a wine stopper cork, 5 medium vacuum bags, 7.8 by 11.8 inch, and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll, 7.8 by 79.0 inch. Both kinds being reusable and waterproof, a complete bundle for your new cooking era. Polyamide sealable bags withstands food temperature of 212 max. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny, don't hesitate. I was going to drop some coin on a high-end model from C at Bell at S, but their build quality went downhill. I have a buddy with a vacuum chamber unit and was disappointed that for the high dollar cost all of the fish he sealed for me had broken seals within a few days. Thought I'd try this product, as 35K reviews is hopefully a good indicator or a decent product. I like the fact that this unit locks closed and you just hit a button. My first use, I sealed 24 bags of smoked salmon using 3 different bag brands. They all worked flawlessly. The sealer seam on the finished bags is wider than my old BD sealer, and the sealing bar doesn't have a visible wire running across it that stops sealing if it's slightly. $64 with a 4-year warranty is a no-brainer.